Hello dear students, welcome to online class. In this class, we will do exercise 7b, math number 1, 2 and 3. First we will see this formulae sin a plus b equal sin a cos b cos a sin b, sin a minus b equal sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, cos a plus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a minus b cos a cos b sin a sin b. Here sin a plus b formula sin cos mixture, but cos a plus b formula cos cos sin sin. If here plus, then here plus, here minus, but cos a plus b, if here plus, then here will be minus, if here minus, then here will be plus. Also tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b minus 1 minus tan a tan b, tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b, 1 plus tan a tan b, cot a plus b, cot a cot b minus 1, cot b cot a minus b, cot a cot b plus 1 divide cot b minus cot a. Also sin a plus b, sin a minus b, sin square minus sin square b, cos square b minus cos square a, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b, cos square b minus sin square a, and tan a plus b, tan a minus b, tan square a minus tan square b, 1 minus tan square a tan square b, cot a plus b, cot a minus b, cot square b, cot square a minus 1 divide cot square b minus cot square a. Using this formula, now we will do this math exercise 7b, question number 1a, cosec 165 degree. So we need to simplify 165 degree, that is 90 degree plus 75 degree. 90 degree here 1 times 90 degree, 1 is odd number, so cosec will be sec, and this is second quadrant sin and cosec plus, so here will be plus. Finally we get sec 75 degree, and 75 degree equal, we can write 45 degree plus 30 degree. Sec equal, we know sec equal 1 divide cos, so we write 1 divide cos 45 degree plus 30 degree. Now we need to apply here cos a plus b formula, that is here cos a plus b equal cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. We consider 45 degree equal a and 30 degree equal b, so cos a plus b cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos 45 degree equal, we know 1 divide root 2, cos 30 degree equal root 3 divide 2, sin 45 degree equal 1 divide root 2, sin 30 degree equal half. For the fractional difference, we need LCM of the denominator root 2, we get the LCM 2 root 2. After dividing 2 root 2 of the LCM 2 root 2, we get 1, and multiplying with the numerator we get root 3, and here we get minus 1. Then in inversion of this term, we get 2 root 2 divide root 3 minus 1. Now we multiply root 3 plus 1 on both numerator and denominator to apply here a square minus b square formula. Root 3 plus 1, we multiply root 3 plus 1 both numerator and denominator to apply a plus b into a minus b formula. So here a square minus b square, root 3 square equal 3 and 1 square equal 1, and root 2 we multiply root 2 with this term root 3 plus 1, root 2 root 3 we get root 6, and 1 multiplied root 2 we get root 2, and here 3 minus 1 will get to Cancelling 2 and 2, we get only root 6 plus root 2, and this is our answer. Next question number 1b, cos 38 degree. We need to find the value this expression. Cos 38 degree 15 minute, sin 60 degree 15 minute, cos 1 degree 45 minute, sin 21 degree 45 minute. We know 60 minute equal 1 degree. We need to similar this term and this term equal to this term and this term, so we need to simplify one of this. I want to simplify this and this. So 51 degree 40 minute equal, we can write 90 degree minus 38 degree 15 minute, because 38 degree 15 minute plus 51 degree 40 minute equal to 90 degree. Here is 51 plus 38. Here is, look, 51 plus 38, it will be equal to 89, and 15 minute plus 45 minute, it will be equal to 1 degree. 60 minute equal 1 degree, so finally we will get 90 degree. So 51 degree 14 minute plus 38 degree 15 minute equal 90 degree. So we can write 90 degree equal minus equal this, and also 21 degree 45 minute equal 90 degree minus 60 degree 15 minute, because this plus this equal 90 degree, this plus this equal 90 degree. Now next line, this equal this, and here 1 times 90 degree, 1 is odd number, so cos will be sine, and here first quadrant we will get only this angle. Also here 1 times 1 is odd number, so sine will be cos, and this is first quadrant, so first quadrant all plus. We finally get this formula, this angle 68 degree 15 minute. Now here we get formula A minus B. First we arrange this line, this equal this equal this, this equal this, and this we put here, and cos 68 degree 15 minute we put here. Now look, sin A cos B, cos A sin B. We consider 68 degree 15 minute equal A, 38 degree 15 minute equal B. Then we get sin A cos B, cos A sin B. That is sin A minus B formula. This is sin A minus B formula. Sin A sin B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B equal to sin A minus B, sin A minus B. And subtracting 38 degree 15 minute from 68 degree 15 minute, we get 30 degree, and sin 30 degree equal half. This is our answer. HW1 C2F HW. Question number 2A, cos A minus B, cos A minus B, sin A minus B, sin A minus C equal cos B minus C. We need to prove this equal this. We take left hand side, cos A minus B, cos A minus C, sin A minus B, sin A minus C, cos A cos B, sin A sin B. We consider A minus B equal to A minus C equal B. Then we will get cos A minus B formula. Here cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. It is equal to cos A minus B. Here is formula, cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So this is equal to cos A minus B. Here cos A minus B. A minus B equal A, and B A minus C equal B. We consider A minus B equal A minus C equal B. So this is cos A minus B formula. After simplifying, we get here cos minus b plus c, and taking common minus, we get minus cos minus b plus c, and we know cos minus theta equal cos theta. Here is cos minus theta equal cos theta. We know this. So cos minus theta equal cos theta. We can write cos b minus c, and it was our right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side, proved. HW to B to D and F, E number I will do here, E number 2E, here is 2E. Sin 135 degree minus A plus cos 135 degree plus A equal 0. Left hand side, sin 135 degree plus A cos 135 degree minus A. We need to apply sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Before this, we need to simplify this angle 135 degree. Here 135 degree equal, we can write 90 degree plus 45 degree. 135 degree equal 90 degree plus 45 degree. Also here 90 degree plus 45 degree. So here is 90 degree plus 90 degree. Here 1 times 90 degree, 1 is odd number, so sign will be cos, and here second quadrant sign plus, so here sign will be plus sign. Also here cos 90 degree plus 45 degree plus A, 1 times 90 degree, so cos will be sign, and here second quadrant only cos and cosec positive and all are negative, so cos negative, second quadrant cos negative, so plus will be minus. Now we can apply cos A minus B formula, that is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, and here sin A plus B formula, that is sin A cos B cos A sin B. 45 degree equal A and A equal B. Consider 45 degree equal A and A equal B, that is sin A cos B cos A sin B. Then 40 cos for 45 degree value 1 divided root 2, cos A multiplying cos A will be multiplied with the numerator 1, that is cos A divided root 2, and here sin 45 degree 1 divided root 2, and sin A will be numerator, will go numerator, and here minus will be multiply minus, so this here minus and plus will be minus, and sin 45 degree equal 1 divided root 2. Finally we get this term cos A minus cos A divided root 2, and this term will be equal to sin A divide root 2. Then after cancelling this term, we will get 0, and it was our right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side, proved. Next question 3a. In the triangle ABC, given A plus B equal 155 degree, find the value of sin C. A plus B equal 150 degree, we know A plus B plus C equal 180 degree, so C equal 180 degree minus A plus B, and the value of A plus B equal 150 degree, that is 75 degree. Here C equal 180 degree minus bracket A plus B, that is C equal 75 degree. Now from the expression sin C, we put the value of sin C. Putting the value of C, we get sin 75 degree, and 75 degree we can simplify 75 degree 45 degree plus 30 degree. 75 degree equal 45 degree plus 30 degree, because we know sin 45 degree and sin 30 degree. Then we apply sin A plus B formula. Sin A cos B cos A sin B. Sin 45 degree 1 divided root 2, cos 30 degree root 3 divided 2, cos 45 degree 1 divided root 2, sin 30 degree equal half. Numerator of the LCM of the denominator of first and second term will be 2 root 2. Then dividing numerator of first term, dividing LCM by the numerator of the denominator of the first term, we get 1, and multiplying with root 2 we get root 3, we get root 3, and multiplying and dividing LCM by the second denominator we get also here 1, and multiplying 1 with the numerator we get 1 here. This is our answer. Next question. Here B to D HW. Question 3E. If A sin theta plus alpha equal B sin theta plus beta, show that cot theta equal A cos alpha minus B cos beta equal divide B sin alpha minus A sin alpha. Solution given this. We can write this equal this line, because after cross multiplication we can go back the previous line. If we cross multiply this equal this, we will get this, and this equal multiply this, we will get this. So it is correct. Now we apply sin A plus B formula, that is sin A cos B cos A sin B. Also here sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B cos A sin B. Now again cross multiplication. We get this line, and by transposing we get this line. B cos theta sin beta, we take left, and A sin theta cos alpha we put right side, we get this line. Now we take cos theta common, we get A sin alpha minus B sin beta, and here sin theta common, B cos beta minus A cos alpha. Now here is cot theta, so we will write cos theta divide sin theta. Then multiplication of cos theta equal A sin alpha B sin beta, so we will put this denominator, and sin theta, here sin theta multiplication sin theta times B cos beta minus A cos alpha. So after cross multiplication we will get this. So sin theta here, and here will be B cos beta minus A cos alpha. Next this will be equal to cot theta. Here is this will be equal to cot theta, and to prove right hand side we take minus common minus, then this will be first term and this will be second term. Also here this will be first term and this will be second term, and this is we need to prove. And this is we were asked to prove. So now 3G, if sin alpha plus theta divide sin alpha and equal to 2 sin beta plus theta divide sin beta, then show that cot alpha minus cot theta equal 2 cot beta. Given this, then we apply sin A plus B formula, that is sin A cos B cos A sin B. Also here sin A plus B formula, sin A cos B cos A sin B, and multiplying 2 we get 2 here and 2 here. Then after cross multiplication, sin beta with first term and second term, and also sin alpha here first term and second term, we get this line. Then here this term we will write first term, and first term we will write second term. We get this line. Here look, here is cot alpha, and cot alpha equal cos alpha divide sin alpha. So cos alpha we will take this term in first term. Now dividing by sin alpha, sin theta and sin beta, we get this line. Every term dividing by sin alpha, sin theta and sin beta, we get this line. Now here sin cancelling sin theta, sin beta, here we will find only cos alpha divide sin alpha, and this is equal to cot alpha. And here cancelling sin alpha and sin beta, we will find here only cos theta divide sin theta, and this is equal to cot theta. And here cancelling sin beta, sin alpha, cos theta divide sin theta, and this is equal to cot theta. And here sin theta cancelling, sin alpha cancelling, we will get finally here cos beta divide sin beta, and this is equal to 2 cot beta. So by transposing cot alpha, here cot theta and here cot theta and here 2 cot theta. If we take left side, it will be minus 2 cot theta, and plus 2 cot theta minus 2 cot theta will get minus cot theta. So cot alpha minus cot theta equal to cot beta, and we are asked to prove this. Here is show that. Is this is last math. Sin alpha sin beta minus cos alpha cos beta plus 1 equals 0. Prove that 1 plus cot alpha tan beta equals 0. Solution: given this, and with transposing, by transposing we get this line. If we take this and this to right side and one left side, we get 1 equal cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta, and this is equal to cos alpha plus beta, because cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha cos beta, sorry, ekhane the sin alpha, it will be equal to sin alpha sin beta. It will be equal to sin alpha sin beta. This will be equal to sin alpha sin beta. So it is formula of cos alpha plus beta, and cos 1 equal we can write cos 0 degree, 1 equal we can write cos 0 degree. Cancelling cos and cos, we will get alpha plus beta equal 0 degree. Now left hand side, 1 plus cot alpha tan beta, cot alpha equal cos alpha sin alpha, tan beta equal sin beta cos beta. Then for the fractional addition, we need LCM, that is sin alpha sin beta. Then dividing LCM by the first denominator of the first fraction, we get sin alpha cos beta, and multiplying with 1 we get this. Again dividing LCM by the denominator of the second fraction, we get 1, and multiplying with this we get cos alpha and sin beta, and this is equal to sin alpha plus beta. This is formula of sin alpha plus beta. Sin A cos B cos A sin B equals sin A plus B. So we can write sin alpha plus beta. Here alpha equal A and beta equal B. We consider alpha equal A and beta equal B, that is sin A plus B. Now A plus B equal 0 degree. Here A plus B equal 0 degree. So we can write A plus B equal 0 degree, and sin 0 degree equal to 0. Finally we get 0, and this is our right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. HW 3B2DF. All of you must submit HW copy to my ID. Thank you.